Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J-Bay. I hope you are doing amazing. If you read the title of this video, then you already know what it is, but if not, let me go ahead and tell you. This right here is going to be a Drunk Elephant unboxing, and I'm so excited to show you all these amazing products that Drunk Elephant sent me. Drunk Elephant sent me this cute cosmetic bag full of their products, and I am so freaking excited. All right, y'all, so if you know me and you've been here for a minute, you know that I am obsessed with neon. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, not only am I super excited to try out Drunk Elephant's products, but this is so cute. I almost didn't even want to open it, y'all. It is too freaking cute. I love all the neon vibes, and I was even more excited about everything inside it once I opened it up. All right, y'all, so let's open this bad boy up and let me show you what's inside. All right, so let's unzip this bad boy. Y'all, I'm so excited. Boom, OMG, look at all these amazing products. I'm going to show you one by one which ones they are and tell you if I've ever tried them or used them before. So let's dive in. All right, y'all, so here's product number one. This is the Proteiny Polypeptoid Cream by Drunk Elephant. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Look how cute. Their packaging is to die for, OMG. All right, let's open this one up. I love the teal. I would call that teal or aqua color. So I've never used this product before, but it's supposed to strengthen and moisturize. And that's just a little inside look, but I'll put it back in the box and we'll go on to the next product. All right, y'all, so now let's move on to product number two. So this right here is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. Ooh, comes with a cute little pamphlet. Super cute. Oh, there's actually two products in here. Okay. So let me take out the first one. All right, so the first one is this, and this is what it looks like. Has a little pump there, and this is the F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial. All right, and it comes with the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum as well. This cute little mini right here, and it's right in here, located right inside the box. And I mean, who doesn't want two products in one, honey? Yes. All right, product number three is the TLC Sukari Baby Facial. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It has some pink, and you know I love pink. Ooh, oh my gosh, this one has 2-in-1 too. I love this. All right, so it is the same exact container, it looks like, as the last one we just opened up. And this is the TLC Sukari Baby Facial. All right, and so this is a little mini Virgin Rola Luxury Facial Oil. I love getting two products in one, honey. Yes, sign me up. All right, y'all, next product. Product number four is the TLC Framboos. I think I'm saying that right. Framboos. I think I'm saying that right, hopefully. Glycolic Night Serum. And it's pink again, y'all. You know I love pink. Yes. All right. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Love, love, love the packaging. You guys know I am a package fiend, and I love this. All right, so it says that this is supposed to refine and re-texturize, and it has some raspberry extract. So I bet you it smells amazing. All right, y'all, the next product, I think this is product number 5. I have used this one before, and I absolutely loved it. This is the Drunk Elephant Seifer Day Serum, and it has the same exact packaging as the pink one that I just showed you, just a different color. Love this like neon orange. Let me open it up for you so you can see. All right. So that is what it looks like. Super cute. Again, love the packaging, and I can vouch for this one because I've used it and it is amazing. If you are looking for a good daytime serum, check out Drunk Elephant Seifer Day Serum. All right, y'all, product number 6 is this little cute one, and it's the Virgin Rola Luxury Facial Oil. I think we got a mini of this one in one of the other products, so I'm super excited to have a full-size one. Ooh, different packaging. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this. All right, so it has a little dropper, still has some pop of color, and it's super cute. I love it. I've used a couple different facial oils, but I've never found like the one, so I'm really excited to give this one a try and see how it works on my skin. I absolutely love Drunk Elephant, y'all, and if you can't tell already, I am obsessed with them. They are a great company. I highly recommend checking out their products. They are definitely worth the price point, and I really, really love them. So give them a try if you're looking to try a new luxury, skincare line. I would highly recommend them. So the 7th product right here is the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I have been struggling with eye irritation on both of my eyes for a while now, And so I'm always kind of trying to look to find a product that will help me kind of make them heal a little bit better. And I'm always experimenting with different things. So I'm really excited to try this Drunk Elephant multivitamin eye cream. This packaging is super cute. It's like a peach. It's not as neon as the other ones, but I still love it and I think it's really cute. Huge shout out to Drunk Elephant for sending me all these goodies. They really hooked a queen up, and I was so excited when I got the package, and opening all of them up was so exciting. So thank you so much to Drunk Elephant. All right, y'all, the 8th product is a big one. It looks like it is the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Protection. This is supposed to protect and preserve the skin, and it's blue. I love the change of color. Ooh, this one's in a different package. Okay. All right, so I am loving the package of this one. I love the different packaging on this item right here. SPF 30, you know you need to take care of your skin, especially when you're in the sun. So an SPF product, that is amazing. And I'm super excited to give this one a try this summer, y'all. All right, y'all, product number 9 is another big one, and it's a shade of blue too. This looks like it is the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. All right, so we have this is a huge bottle. Wow. So this is similar to some of the other packaging we saw. It's just a larger one. And again, this is a hydration serum. It's supposed to quench and illuminate the skin. Y'all, I feel like I am stocked up on skincare products for like a year. I am super excited. All right, y'all, only 2 more products left. So now let's check out product number 10. All right, so this one's cute. It looks like it's kind of like a pinkish maroon, red, I don't know. It's cute. It's a cute color. All right, y'all. And it looks like this is the Drunk Elephant A Passione Retinol Cream. I think that's how you say it. So A Passione Retinol Cream. Let's open her up. Yeah, this is definitely like a pink. Like a berry pink maybe. Ooh, this one has 2 products in one. We love that. Very different packaging. Kind of similar to the one that is the SPF product. This looks like it is supposed to reboot and smooth. Now let's check out what little product they included in here. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay, this is the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I think that was the really big one that we opened up. We got a small little mini. How cute. So I'm really excited to give both of these a try, and I love getting 2 products in one. That is like such a good surprise. All right, y'all, on to the last product now. Product number 11 is something I've been using for a long time and that I absolutely love, and that is the Drunk Elephant Best number 9 Jelly Cleanser, and I love this one so much, y'all. So this one smells like cantaloupe. I can tell you that for a fact, and I always run out, so I'm super excited to get a huge one. And look at that. That is a really big bottle. Love this. It's a full size. It's cantaloupe. It is so amazing on the skin, and this product is another one of my favorites from Drunk Elephant. So excited to try all these new products, but this one is like a classic, and I love it. All right, y'all, well, that was product number 11, and that finishes it for products from Drunk Elephant. So before I end this video, I want to say another huge thank you to Drunk Elephant for gifting me all of these incredible products. I am seriously over the moon about this. I was so excited for like a week when I first got them, and I'm still so excited to try out all these new amazing products, and was so excited to receive some of my old favorites. So for all of you at home, whether you've tried out Drunk Elephant or you haven't, let me know what your thoughts were on this video down below in the comments. Show me some love. Smash that subscribe button if you're on YouTube and you haven't already. Turn on the bell for notifications. And if you love this video, which I hope you did, please give me a big old like, a big old thumbs up before you leave. And I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and just getting through these hard times. Remember, my inbox on Instagram is always open if you ever need anything. Check me out on Instagram too if you haven't, at JBay Productions. All the links, all the price information, all of that good stuff will be down in the description box or in the caption if you are on IGTV. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys tons. Bye, guys.